In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own sound for your TikTok video. If this video helps you out, please like and subscribe for more videos just like it. Now, of course, if you want to shoot a TikTok video using the music tracks and sounds available through TikTok, all you have to do is click on the plus sign down at the bottom center of the screen. That will take you to a camera where there's all kinds of different options. But what if you have a specific track in mind that you'd like to use, or a specific sound, or there's just nothing available through TikTok that you want? Well, here's what I recommend that you do. You first film your video on your camera. That's all you have to do. Load it right up to your phone. And then head to Google Play and download a free app called YouCut, Y-O-U-C-U-T. A link will be in the description. It's completely free. It's a video editor. Now you can start a new project, or you can continue a last draft. You can have one last draft saved, and since I have one of those, I'm going to click last draft. However, you can click new project and just open up the video file that you shot on your camera within YouCut. So I'm going to open up last draft. Now here's the video that I shot before. What's nice is you can trim it, filter it, add your own effects, text, stickers, speed, backgrounds. You can record new audio, adjust the volume, you can rotate, flip, crop, and so on and so forth. For this example, we'll just click on music. And what's great is you can add your own downloaded music. So places that I get music from are the audio library, SoundCloud, but if you just do a simple Google search and then go to a place that you can download free music with whatever terms they have deemed need to be necessary, you can save it to your phone. It'll be here when you go to YouCut. So for instance, we'll just click on this sound that I have right here and then use that in our video. And then that's all you really have to do. After you're done with that, you can preview it if you like. Now I do have the volume turned down. Let me turn it back up. Kind of a creepy video, I think. But that's all you have to do. And then you can just go ahead and click on Save at the top right-hand side of the screen. You can save it as high quality. You can also save it as lower quality, depending on what your needs are. We'll just go ahead and save lower quality for this example. It's going to give you an advertisement when you finish this. It's no big deal. All you got to do is close out of it. And then just wait for your video to convert. We're all set. Now you can go back to TikTok, open it up, go to your plus sign down at the bottom center of the screen like you're going to shoot a video. Go to the bottom right-hand side of the screen where it says Upload and click on Upload. And here you can choose the video that you just made. It'll bring you to your media library. Click on Next down at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. And here you are. I still have the volume turned back down, but of course the soundtrack is there. Let's just check it out. Pretty creepy stuff. Of course, you'll be able to make a much better video than I have just made. Click Next at the top right and then click Next down at the bottom right. However, you can add additional sounds, effects, text, stickers, voiceover, and filters from this screen. Then you can add something to describe your post. You can adjust who can see it, add hashtags, friends, allow comments, allow duet and react, and of course, save to device. I'm going to keep it private, and actually I may just keep it as a draft. And that's all you have to do to make your own sound. You can find awesome sound all over the place. I'll link a few things in the description to help get you started. Thanks again for watching. If this video helped you out, please do like and subscribe for more content just like it. Take care.